Hey guys, this is Eric with Carolina Blind Crafters. I'm here in the Griffith Lakes community in North Charlotte, off of W.T. Harris Boulevard. We just finished up an installation of two motorized screens. This is the normal unit, this is the 127 unit, and this is the XL unit. This one is about 20 feet wide. As you can see, I am on the lake here at Griffith Lakes. Beautiful spot in this neighborhood, and I wanted to show you these screens real quick. So here, let's go ahead and operate shade 2. This is a 20-footer on the back. This actually has a cradle that supports the shade all the way across, so it distributes the weight evenly. Keeps the shade from sagging. Notice how that weight bar at the bottom is perfectly level, and that's the same way when it goes back up. Now, a lot of other brands can't say the same thing. They do not have a cradle system, so the weight is off on one side or the other, so it doesn't go up straight, and then over time it twists, and the fabric or the screen material will go from one side to the other and eventually get caught up in your motor. So Draper does this better than anybody else. Let's go ahead and raise them. This is a white hardware with a 5% fabric, so I always recommend 5% to the customers who are looking for privacy but don't want to lose the view. 5% is perfect for that. During the day, you're not going to be able to see through these. When they're down, as long as you don't have light coming in from the side, you will not be able to see through these during the day. At night, that may be a different story. If you have a light on the interior of the space, you're probably going to be able to see in. So if you are worried about that, you should go with something a little bit darker, but this works for most customers. The view out is beautiful and you get the privacy, and I want to show you that right now. Notice there is not a wrinkle in this thing. I mean, it's perfectly stretched tight. Everything looks beautiful. Let's go over to this side, same thing, right? Fabric stretched tight, and I cannot see in at all. You cannot see through this fabric during the day. It's all about the light on the interior of the space, right? If there's light on the interior of the space, you're going to be able to see. And if there's not, as long as the sun's being blocked out from every angle, you can't see through it all. So let's go ahead and raise this big one. And they're operated independently on the Somfy remote here. These are Somfy Maestria motors, made in France. I believe they're still made in France, and they're the most reliable motor on the market. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise here. One more, let's put this one up. Let's see how everything looks. I was really happy on how this one turned out, and it couldn't be a more beautiful spot. See that you're right on the lake right there. Now I did spray this one off with a hose because we got it a little bit dirty, so that's why you see that that water right there. That'll dry when it stays down a little bit, but you know, everything's sucked up tight into that head box. You got about an 8-inch drop when everything's said and done. It's a 5-inch head box though, so that's the slimmest as far as I know on the market. So everything's real sleek. All right, I think that's everything for today. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you on the next one. Thanks.